Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and as can you see, we have here just the new home screen folder on our device screen. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want, just hold the application and drag it here. Just also you can customize this folder by rename the folder. Just click here on the name and we can add here the new name, enter the apps, for example, click here to OK, and now as can you see, this folder successfully changed our device name. If you want, you can move this folder here on the screen to change the position. By this way, hold it and drag, for example, here. We can move this folder between the screens to the first home screen, or also we can create the new screens with the folder. As can you see, that's really simple. And now just to remove, for example, some applications from the folder, hold it and drag it here to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to just remove app from the home screen on this folder, hold it for a while and click here to remove icon, but don't worry, you will stay with this app here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.